Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome back to 5 Dimension, the channel where we dive into the coolest, most mind-blowing facts about everything in our universe. If you love space, mysteries, and jaw-dropping discoveries, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to take you on a journey through the cosmos and explore 5 mind-blowing facts about space that will leave you in awe. So buckle up and let's blast off into the unknown. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Let's kick things off with a fact about Venus that will totally mess with your sense of time. Did you know that a day on Venus is actually longer than its year? That's right. It takes 243 Earth days for Venus to complete just one full rotation on its axis. But here's the twist. It only takes about 225 Earth days for Venus to orbit around the Sun. So, you could technically live through multiple Venus years before experiencing a single Venus day. Mind-blowing, right? The largest known star is a supergiant. Now let's talk about the giant of the stars. Literally, the largest known star in the universe is Scuti, a supergiant star that's around 1,700 times the size of our Sun. If it were placed in the center of our solar system, its outer edge would extend all the way past Jupiter's orbit. Can you even imagine how massive that would be? This star is so big, if you tried to measure it, the numbers would be enough to make your head spin. There's a planet made of diamond.
Now for something really out of this world. There's a planet called 55 Cancri E that is made mostly of diamond. Yes, you heard that right, a planet made of diamond. This super-Earth is twice the size of our planet and has surface temperatures that reach over 2000 AC, hot enough to turn carbon into diamonds. Scientists believe that this distant world might be a giant, sparkling jewel in the sky. Imagine living on a planet where everything you touch could be made of precious gems. Sounds like something from a sci-fi movie, doesn't it?
The Milky Way and Andromeda are colliding. Let's talk about a collision that's far, far in the future, but still absolutely epic. The Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy are on a collision course. In about 4.5 billion years, these two galaxies will collide and merge to form a new galaxy, likely an elliptical one. This cosmic event will create a spectacular light show, with new stars being born from the chaos of the collision. Can you imagine witnessing that kind of galactic fireworks display? It's one of the biggest events in our universe's future, and it's only a matter of time before it happens. Space is completely silent. Here's something that might surprise you. Space is completely silent. Unlike Earth, where sound travels through air, space has no atmosphere to carry sound waves. So, if you were floating in space, you wouldn't be able to hear anything, not even the sound of your own voice. Astronauts rely on radios to communicate, so even though you're surrounded by the vast wonders of the universe, it's eerily quiet. It's a reminder of how different space is from the world we know. So there you have it, 5 mind-blowing facts about space that are sure to expand your imagination. The universe is full of mysteries and wonders that we're only beginning to understand. If you loved these facts, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to 5 Dimensions for more mind-blowing content. And don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an out-of-this-world adventure with us. Got any space facts of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, there's always more to explore in the 5 Dimension.